Hey, TLC and LadyScorpion, and we are driving trying to get to Council Rock, and the road's worth it, and it's small and it's narrow, and it's got the views. It's just a really neat looking place. Lots of dispersed camping, and don't want to come through here when it's flooded, which would be anytime it's rained ever. So we're good to go, and we're gonna head on through that. Oh, it's just really neat though. All right, later, bye.
Can I be held responsible when the wind calls out my name and I chase it through the reaches of my mind? Over hills and mountains, cross rivers deep and wide, I'll flip every stone that I find.
Hey guys, we are on Forest Road 687. We just got off of Middle March Road, which I don't know if you know, that used to be a supply route between Fort Bowie and Fort Huachuca. We are in the Dragoon mountain range in southeast Arizona. We're actually on the west side, and it's called the Cochise Stronghold West. These mountains up here, we were at war for over a decade, and you can just picture the Apaches up in these nooks and crannies and rocks just as lookouts, that they were able to see the cavalry coming for 2 days away. You can see them up there, and anyway, it was just amazing. They were able to defend this area, and they had access to year-round water up there, and there were just amazing ambush points just everywhere all along the entire stronghold. Totally confused the cavalry trying to march forward in their straight lines and do anything. Chief Cochise was actually the one who sat down and actually had the talk with General O.O. Howard. They met up in this area and actually created and ratified the Apache Peace Treaties. Hey, TLC and LadyScorpion, and we just got down off of Council Rocks. It was amazing up there. Just that feeling of history, and you can just feel everything up there. It was gorgeous, and the views were spectacular. If you get a chance to go up there, it's definitely worth it. We didn't want to take any video while we were up there, but we took some pictures, and it was amazing up there. So anyway, we hope you liked our video, and if you get a chance and you want to like and subscribe to our channel, we'd really appreciate it. We really appreciate you guys coming along and joining us on these trips. We've just been having such a great time. All right, hey, thanks. We'll talk to you later. Bye.
It calls to me like a mother to her child at supper time. It blooms from every tree in early spring. Can I be held responsible when the wind calls out my name? I don't write the song that nature sings.